Hi, third graders. We are going to continue writing today. So hopefully last time you finished your introductory paragraph. So you should have finished this section. And now we're going to be doing childhood education. So make sure you have your rough draft out with the edit so you can see what you need to do. Last time I had put a little dot here so I remember to indent. Please don't forget to indent. If you start it over here, you're going to have to start over, and then it's going to have a bunch of erase marks. So I would just look where you kind of indented the last time, make an imaginary line down there and put a little dot that you can erase later. And then you can go ahead, remember we're doing cursive, and you can start writing in your best cursive. So we're going here with our topic sentence first. Madam C.J. Walker had an interesting childhood. Period. So remember that you indent, but then you go back out to the margin. So you don't want to keep indenting. Make sure you go all the way back to the line. That way the paragraph is very clear. And now I'm going to erase that little mark because I don't need it anymore. And then I'm just going to keep writing until I get to the end of this second paragraph, okay? So this is just childhood and education. You do not need to start adulthood today, okay? So you can go ahead and just keep writing. She was born on, and you're just going to keep going. I'm not going to video the whole paragraph just because you don't need to watch me write the whole paragraph because yours is different, but go ahead and finish your childhood education section and then you can stop. Don't feel like you need to work ahead because I want to make sure that you're doing each section correctly. That way, when you turn it in next Friday, it'll be all ready to go and perfect, okay? If you have any questions on the edit marks that I've made, you can feel free, if your parents aren't sure, you can feel free to have them email me or you can Google Classroom me and let me know if you're not clear on what I wanted you to change. Okay, great work, and remember, don't rush. Take your time. Make sure you do really nice cursive, okay?